back to my channel. For today's video, I haven't uploaded in a while because I haven't had any content ideas, but since it's 8/8 tomorrow, sorry ha, it's kind of late, but it's 8/8 tomorrow, I decided I should do a haul of the things I bought this month or last month, and to show you guys what you can buy on Shopee or my Shopee finds for the month of July. It's a mixture of all the things I got for July. I kind of spent a lot. I personally like to film haul videos. I like to watch haul videos, so this is not to brag or anything. I just like doing these types of videos because they're the videos I'm most comfortable in. But let's get on to the haul. First, we're gonna start off with the tops that I got. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this top that I'm wearing now. I got this from Otorva Designs. That's Bella's sister, Alia's clothing business thing. I got this from her. It's just the black corset top. I think I forgot the name of it, but it's in the shade gold. It's just black, and it was for 600 pesos because when I bought it, it was on sale, like 50% off. I've been wanting this one for a while. I saw it on That's Bella, and I was like, maybe that looks nice too. Super nice and cropped, and I like it, and it's comfy, and it just looks really nice. And the next thing that I bought is from Shein. I don't know if you guys saw, but Ray Hermar has this top, and I think she has a link for it on Shopee, but then Bea and I were like, it's kind of expensive for that kind of tops, and we found it on Shein. So this one, I'm sorry, I'm not supposed to be supporting Shein because they steal artist work, but then was like 300 or something, but this one is in the size small, and it's just a knit top. I'll post all the links of the things I bought down below in the description. And then with that, I also bought a swimsuit from Shein because initially we were supposed to go to Boracay, but then ECQ happened, plans got cancelled the second time. So I got this swimsuit for Boracay, but then it won't happen. It's just a very small, like, triangle kind of swimsuit, and it's super cute, the design. I really like it. But it looks like this, and then it just has a tie at the back, and then the panty. If you don't know yet, Shein underwear or Shein swimsuits are on the next level. Probably won't be using this. It was for less than 500 or something. The other thing that I got from Shein are a set of rings. They're in this McDo BTS meal cup because we keep it naman. So I have rings here. I have like 27 pieces of rings that I don't even use because they don't fit my fingers. Like, they're quite big, but I got them and they're cute still, and they're really cheap and affordable. They're really, really big on me, so I don't like to wear them a lot. And the last thing that I got from Shein are these shoes. These are Jungkook kind of shoes. I don't know, I've seen Jungkook wear these on Yoongi, but theirs are Doc Martens. But my sister found dupes on Shein. So they look like this, and I've been wearing them a lot. They're platform and they're super comfortable. I think they were 1,000 or something, but they're really comfy and I wear them all the time. It just has like buckles here. Very nice for everyday wear, and I love them, and Jungkook wears them all the time. So Miss Girl went shopping on Zara when it was sale because they had like a massive sale, like 30%, 40%, 50%, 60%. So Bea and I went shopping there, and I got stuff from the kids section. The first thing that I got was a jumpsuit. I actually wore it the last time, so it's in the wash. A black jumpsuit from the kids section. I got it in the size 11 to 12 kids. I'm gonna insert a photo here of me wearing it. But I got that one for 595. It was originally 1,200, I think, or 1,500. I'm not so sure. And then the other one I got from Zara is this other jumpsuit, also in the kids section. Khaki jumpsuit. It's very long. It's also the same size, 11 to 12. And this one was originally for 1,995, I think. And then I got it for 595. This has garterized bottoms, and Jungkook inspired again from the PTD content that they post. And we have a few more clothing items. Actually, these are my sister's, but then we share clothes, so you know what, might as well. My sister and I are really into Cashwaves. It's an Instagram shop that sells bootleg t-shirts. Like, I think they were the original ones who sold bootleg t-shirts. So we got a few. I have my old Rosie, the version 1. I'll just insert a photo here. And then I got the Rose version 2. Got it in the size medium because I got it from a reseller. She sold it for me, so it's like second hand. And then my sister got BTS shirts from Cashwaves. Cashwaves t-shirts usually are for 1,500. So they're kind of pricey. I mean, if you do wear them a lot, pwede mo man siya ma-ROI. So she got this one, this Jungkook shirt initially. So yeah, our first bias was Jungkook, my sisters and I. So she got this. And then she got the J-Cook shirt. Her bias line is J-Cook. And it's super cute. I really love this design. So we got that from Cashwaves. She got clothes from SHOPEE. The first one I will put here. She doesn't know how much it is, but I will link it in the description box below. And then she got this one. This is the Nomad inspired shirt from Jimin's In the Soup shirt. Yeah, he was wearing this in the Soup. And then it has a print at the back. It says, "Be a good human." It's actually oversized on Jimin, so it looks oversized on us as well. Okay, so now, since we are on the thread of BTS stuff, I'm just gonna continue on with the BTS things that I got, because after being an ARMY, I've just been buying BTS merch, unofficial or official. Sisters and I have been buying a lot of albums because we're trying to complete the discography. At first we were like, let's just start buying albums when we started studying them, but then no, we were like, yeah, let's buy the albums, let's just buy all of them. So behind me are the albums that we bought. Recently we bought Love Yourself Answer, Love Yourself Tear, You Never Walk Alone, Young Forever, Oh Are You Late To, Oh Map of the Soul. Yeah, that's it. We're trying to complete it pa, but it's currently in progress. And we also bought the Butter vinyl and the Butter cassette. It's right there if you can see. I recommend buying on NCAT on SHOPEE. It's very fast. It's reliable because they do have a shop in Manila. They do have sales sometimes. Quality is still good. There's not much dents on it. So I do recommend NCAT. Oh, also, you can also buy, I do recommend an Instagram shop called House of MDS, which I always mention in all of my BTS unboxing videos. We always get merch from them because they're reliable and they're trusted, and they're from Iloilo, so it's easier for us. All of the orders we get from them always arrive really fast. If you want a fast and trusted Instagram shop for your BTS merch, you should follow House of MDS. And also, this shelf that I have here, I will also link the shelf because we got that for 1,000 something I think on SHOPEE. And we have our BTS merch there, but I feel like this should be changed because it's getting crowded, so we do have a lot of upcoming merch. Oh, also, since we do buy albums, of course there are PCs. So here are PC sleeves recommendations for you guys. So I saw these on TikTok from famous ARMYs who recommend these sleeves. So I got these ones from, these are Sleeve Kings from SHOPEE, and they are two sizes because we do like to double sleeve or triple sleeve. Sleeve Kings 56 by 87 mm for the inside, and for the outer sleeve we get this 57.5 by 89 mm. I'm gonna show you how they look like on a PC. This one is the inner sleeve. It looks like this. That's the outer sleeve. Sister and I recently bought phone cases from Soleil and Luna. They're on Instagram, but they're also on SHOPEE. So we got these two. These are butter themed cases. Got a Yoongi one. My sister got a Namjoon one. For the last BTS merch that I got this Bts Mat from SHOPEE. And I've seen Jed Madela on Twitter. He posted his like computer setup and stuff, and he also got the same mat as me. I got this BTS mouse pad from SHOPEE. Other designs, I have the winter package design, but I got this one for my table because it's just purple and it has the BTS logo. Pretty nice quality mat, and it was for like 200 pesos only, so it's not that bad. And that's it for the BTS stuff. Miscellaneous stuff that I got and recommendations from SHOPEE. So we got nail art kits from SHOPEE. I got the UV light, gel nail polish, and the gel polish set. All of my nail polish. I also got a set with nail polish, and I also got some nail tools. I do have two UV lights because I got a bigger one, which I will insert here. We also got candles from Maree on Instagram. This one is Hogsmeade. It has bergamot, patchouli, and vanilla. This one is Narnia. It has peppermint, pine, and jasmine. Central Perk. It has coffee, chocolate, and pepper. These ones are for 280. Smells like coffee. If you're into coffee, it really smells like coffee. It smells like peppermint. But yeah, that is it for all the things that I got. They were kind of a lot, not gonna lie. And I just mentioned, Otorba Designs has the best customer service ever. Oh, by the way, if you do buy into my BUDOL, you can tag me on Instagram and just put Maree made me buy it or something like that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And I will see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.